Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Wow, big whales pumping in money into Tectonic token. Now in the past 48 hours, Tectonic token have actually gained over $3.2 million. It's amazing to see people buying Tectonic token, and I'm hoping that this coin will continue to increase, especially in price, especially in the market cap and the community. Now Tectonic token, remember, as of this year, we believe Tectonic token is going to pump. They started this year with an impressive move. This Tectonic token have been increasing in price even from the first day of the year, and I believe before the end of the year we might be seeing this coin deleting one or two zeros, now gaining about $3 million more in 48 hours. Is amazing for a coin like Tectonic token. Remember, it's only Crypto.com and VVS Finance that are really listed this coin. I'm really supporting this coin, and I'm hoping that, of course, the developer, they promise us that this year we'll be seeing more exchanges that will be listing. They are ready to partner with different crypto companies, and I know by that, once we start seeing Tectonic token getting a lot of partnership, especially in the area of getting listed by other crypto exchange, believe it, Tectonic token is definitely going to pump very soon. And I believe if Binance, if Get.io, if L-Bank, all these exchanges can come in to support Tectonic token, we are expecting Tectonic token to delete between 1 or 2 zeros. Now I think the developers also need to focus on the area of burning this coin. They have about 500 trillion coins out there in circulation, and I believe they have about 500 trillion coins. But if they can burn the remaining supply, at least half of the remaining supply, believe it, Tectonic token is definitely going to pump. About 110 million coins, 110 trillion coins are out there as a circulating supply. That means we still have about 390 trillion coins. So if they can burn half of this coin, that would be a better way to prepare for 2023. That would be a better way to push Tectonic token. So I believe this year, let's see what will happen. Let's see what the developers will be planning, the project they have. Although their roadmap, I love it, but I hope that before the end of the year, I want to see Tectonic token deleting between 1 or 2 zeros. And let's hope that the market cap will also hit over $100 million before the end of the year. Please remember, this is on the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.